In this session, we understand about XHTML. XHTML is the family of current future document types and modules that extend of HTML4. XHTML document types are XML based and ultimately are designed to work in conjunction with XML based user agent. According to W3C, XHTML 1.0 is a reformulation of HTML 4.01 in XML and combines the strength of HTML4 with the power of XML. XHTML is an application of XML, a more restrictive subset of HTML because XHTML documents need to be well formed and can be parsed using standard XML parser. XHTML versions like 1.0 became W3 Consortium recommendation on Jan 26, 2000. XHTML 1.1 became W3C recommendation on May 31st, 2001. XHTML5 is undergoing development as of September 2009 as a part of HTML5 specification. And for motivation to develop XHTML, XHTML was developed to make HTML more extensible and increase interoperability with other data formats. HTML4 was ostensibly an application of HTML. However, the specification of HTML was complex and neither web browser nor HTML4 recommendation were fully conformant to it. The XML standard approved in 1998 provided a similar data format in simplicity to HTML4. By shifting to XML format, it was hoped HTML would become compatible with common XML tools. The differences between HTML and XHTML. XHTML, the tag names and attributes names are case sensitive, whereas in HTML it is not case sensitive. Every element in XHTML must start with the opening and closing tag, where in case of HTML there is no such type of restriction. In XHTML, empty elements must be used either with the empty element syntax or have an end tag immediately following the start tag. But in case of HTML, it's an option, just we can write an empty element. In XHTML, all tags must be written in lowercase. In HTML, we can use capital letter for elements, lower letter for attributes, or whatever convention the user like. Allow attributes values in HTML must be quoted, where in case of HTML it is not required. In XHTML, all attributes must be expressed in name is equal to value pairs with the attribute value surrounded by double quotes. In HTML, some elements have attributes that do not appear to require a value. Example, the checkered attribute for checkbox input element can be specified as by input type checkbox name is equal to check is a value we are specifying by checkered. And the seventh part, when we compare XHTML and HTML, XHTML does not allow attribute minimization, HTML it allows. In XHTML, an opening HTML tag requires, where in case of HTML it does not require. Thank you. In the next session, we understand some more about HTML and XHTML.